Hey art friends, yes, a new haircut, a new year, and I have new ideas. I spent the winter reflecting on last year's YouTube journey. I have evolved and learned a lot, the do's and don'ts of filming, recording and editing videos. But I also learned it takes a ton of work and time. So I have decided that I'm going to stop doing tutorial-like videos. Instead, I want to do more art videos, challenge myself in drawing, painting and animation, both digital and analog. Some of the challenges I have in mind for this year are the 100 Portrait Challenge, 1 hour animation challenge, painting gouache still lifes and plein airs outside, building a James Gurney easel, 20-minute morning sketchbooking, talking about my favorite art books, do 8 paintings in 8 hours, trips into my creative past, and of course I will still occasionally have the technical tip and trick along the way. Also, I'm planning to release a new video every other Monday. I'm really excited about these changes and can't wait to start. In fact, I've already started with building a habit of 20-minute morning sketches on paper, but more about that in the next vlog and why I'm so excited about these.